Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm journaling again, you guessed it, and it is for Wednesday, January, not July, January 6th and 7th. So come along with me, work on something that you like, and let's just be creative. So that orange sticker that you already see down, that's I think washi tape that I got at Michael's like a long time ago. I don't even know what brand it is. It might be Recollections. Oh, you know what? It was in that 33-cent bin. That's where it was. And then one of those little splashes of color are from a Happy Planner sticker book, I believe. And then the Shine Bright You Beautiful Human was also from a Happy Planner sticker book. And I just liked the sentiment. This piece of collage I've been hoarding because it's so cute. I love it so much that I was afraid to stick it down. I didn't know where I wanted to stick it because there were so many places I wanted to stick it.
Never mind.
So anyway, I cut it out. It's like a picture of a super cute desk with a little plant and a computer, and just sort of in honor of my new little space that I've created up in our spare bedroom, I stuck down my desk, and then I've been spending a lot more time at it, and I took a picture of my mom and dad when we were having Zoom coffee, because I've put them upstairs on my desk now, and I journal while I'm having Zoom coffee with them. So that's when I get my journal filming done. And I love it. I get to be creative while I hang out with them and drink some coffee. And it's a really perfect way to start the morning. I absolutely adore it. So I love that computer looks like my mom and dad are on the screen. I love it. And then that little box, I put a lot of boxes and circles from various Happy Planner sticker books. And the little girl with the long flowing hair was supposed to be Addie, because she asked me to French braid her hair like one of her American Girl dolls, Samantha. I French braided Samantha's hair once, and she's tried to keep it that way because she loved it so much. And so she wanted it done just that way. So I tried to do that. And I just thought that little girl was so cute with her little hair bouncing around. And then in the corner, I put a circle sticker and one of the stickers from, I think it's from James L. Burke Creative. They're his sticker people and designs and stuff. He's amazing. He does have a YouTube channel. Such an incredible artist. And I loved this one with the kind of like swoopy haired guy, because I got the right paste. So we did Henry's hair in the morning, and he's like, yeah, I think this is my style. I was like, I agree, bud. I think it's very handsome. So I really love that. I'm glad that he feels so confident. And then I put another little box and a coffee time sticker from Shine Sticker Studio, and saying that we had coffee at 9 a.m. And then that circle up like towards the top with the little star on a treadmill is from Shine Sticker Studio as well. If you need stickers, then let me tell you, you should use my code at Shine Sticker Studio, Emily15, and you can get a discount. Oh, that was me bringing my computer over so that I could show my mom the corner of my office where I want to get a ficus or a fiddly fig. Some sort of plant, some greenery. Because there's an empty corner of my office that just is like screaming for a palm tree or something. But you would be surprised at how expensive those are. I was shocked. So, and then I was just putting down that I had to work in the evening from 3 to 11. And I also put a little box that was saying, Michael told me that I needed to gather my stuff up to get over to the tax guy, pretty soon, because it's going to be tax time. And so, of course, I was like, oh yeah, sure. I mean, tax stuff for my channel, like, which seems absurd to me that it's even like, even something that I knew like needs to be paid taxes on. It's not that much money. And, but I get it, So he's like, so gather your expenses and stuff. And I must have given him a really funny look like,
Okay.
because he's like, oh, Lord, you haven't been keeping track of any of that, have you? And I was like, yeah, I totally have. Don't worry. You know, all that stuff, it's a write-off. It was just like the scene from Schitt's Creek. It's a write-off. Don't worry about it. A write-off for who? Who writes it off? Oh, I just love it. Thank God for Michael and his ability to adult while I just float along doing things that seem fun. So anyways, that incited a moment of panic, but we'll get there. We'll get it all gathered. And then the next day I put that little too cute sticker next to the little picture where I had written of doing Addie's hair the day before, because it turned out so cute. It was like a French braid just down to like kind of pigtails. And it was so cute. I wish I could braid my own hair, but I can't. My fingers don't work that way in the back of my head like I can do it on her. Everyone says just practice. I try. It's like I put my hands in the back of my head and I become completely paralyzed. I can't move them. They just don't, my brain doesn't communicate with my fingers if they're in back of my head. It's a condition. And then I put a little piece of collage of a Bigfoot with a bandage on his toe because Addie somehow hurt her ankle. I don't know, but she's like complaining about it so much, and I don't know what to do about it because, I mean, what? You just got to rest it. And then an 8-year-old girl is not great about resting her ankle. So what am I going to do? I don't know. And then some boxes and a little, what is it? Not Coffee Monsters Co., but the other one, the little dinner, because I'm making chicken pesto pasta tonight for dinner. And then a little Shine Sticker Studio Luna with her computer and coffee to signify that I was doing Zoom coffee and also journaling again this morning. I'm just loving it. And a little laundry sticker. Those are all Shine Sticker Studio. So I'm loving it. And I love that in the time in the morning when we can hang out, I feel like productive as well. And it also like gives me ideas of things to journal about too, you know, and I don't know, I've just really been enjoying that. I put a little kawaii key that was from, I think that was also from a Shine Sticker Studio, Michael's book, I think. And I just wrote that Michael got the kids keys made so that when they walk home from school, they have a house key just in case the garage code doesn't work. So they thought they were very like old and very advanced when they got their own house key. It was very funny. That made me laugh. And then somebody sent me that little girl with the put a heart on it on her skirt. And I put that in there because my intention today was definitely to play in my planner. I want to like pre-lay down a lot of stickers so that I can use my weeks really functionally and like pre-plan and stick stuff in there ahead of time and not feel like I'm waiting to put stuff in there for when I can film and stuff like that. So it hasn't panned out yet today, but I'm hoping to get there. I put this little tip in that says love it on the front. And just did a little bit of journaling about what happened in the United States last evening with the riots and the mobs and you'd think we live in a war-torn country. I just don't have words. I know that we all have different opinions, but I'm just happy that... I'm just happy it's over. And I used my Antiquarian sticker book to do to use that little letter. It looks like a king A, and it seemed perfect for me. King asshole. Well, at least he wants to be king, and he ain't. Thank Christ. So that's my tip in, and that's also my opinion. So you can have yours too. That's fine. And I use washi tape to tip it in. Let's see. I used a little planner sesh sticker. I moved it from where I had put it up by the girl to underneath her just so that I had more room to stick in a little meditating fox from the sticker book that I showed you guys from Recollections. I love that thing so much with the little animals and stuff. It's so cute. And I was so excited to try a Peloton. They have a bunch of meditation classes, and it's really something that I have always wanted to do, but by myself, I lose focus. I really need to be guided kind of through it. And I know there's apps and stuff, but since we have the phone apps, since we had the Peloton thing, I was really excited to use that. So very excited to give that a shot. And then I'm using some pig and cat stickers. That's a little pig with a chef's hat, because I'm a super chef, right? No, if you're new here, I hate to cook and would gladly never do it again. But thus, I have a family who must eat. And apparently they don't like DiGiorno every single night. I don't know why. I would eat it every single night. And then I put a little pig with hearts in her eyes and everything next to the my little collage of the girl holding stickers. And then a little teapot. Somebody sent me this little honey bear sticker booklet, and it's so sweet. And I was talking to my mom about I got her a whistling teapot for Christmas, and it's really cute. It's stainless steel. I got it on Amazon, and she absolutely loves it. I can link it below, but she's created this whole afternoon tea ritual, and we were talking about it, and I decided that I must buy some tea now and create my own afternoon tea ritual, because why not? It seems like it would be very soothing, and I'm searching for calm with both hands and a flashlight, so if afternoon tea will help, then I will do it. And of course I put a crown on the Sasquatch, because why not? And here is my journaling for the day. I hope that you guys are safe and healthy wherever you are in the world, especially if you're in the United States. Let's just look forward to a brighter day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.